Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again. This is a 1974 old base coat metallic. It's oxidized. It's got a metallic oxidized patina. This is shot. I mean, it's chipping, cracking, but I've seen people that own cars that their original paint jobs, and they've got this paint job here, but they don't know what to use. You want to use these right here. This is the Lukat Fix It. Watch what happens when I put this on. These colors are brilliant. They're freaking beautiful when you use them. You just go like this. You go back and forth over the same spot till you clear it up. It's not a cutter, it's a cleaner. So you're able to clean as opposed to just cut. These old paint jobs are worth bringing back. You don't see paint jobs with this kind of metallic on it. I mean, this thing is just beautiful. Look at that. You go back and forth until the paint job is perfectly clean. Voila. Now these old paint jobs will have this, the old pigment's gonna stick to the towel. That's okay. That's the toasted, brittle, oxidized paint. This is clean. Can you see that reflection? Okay, but listen to this. There's no wax here. That's literally squeaky clean. Now, once you clean it up, the next thing you want to do is seal it. This is called Lukat EZ Wax. It's a sealer. This stuff is sick because this will allow you to do what most waxes don't let you do. This cleans, conditions, and seals. It's specifically designed to seal. So when you put that on, it's gonna dry. It's gonna turn into a nice, tough, glossy shell. And then look at it now. So use the cleaner to remove the oxidation, okay? You can clean a paint job like this in sections. This is not gonna wash off because we cleaned it with the Lukat Fix It. This is a paint cleaner, not a wax. And clean it, and then you seal it with this. Your paint job is done. If you got clear coats that are fading, oxidizing, just looking ugly, hood, roof, and trunk is not as shiny as the side doors and fenders, this is what you want to use. Check us out online. Go to lukatdetail.com. This is, anybody can do this. I mean, just go back and forth, clean it up. This stuff is fantastic. Save yourself tons of money by fixing the paint job, by cleaning it, as opposed to getting it repainted or just masking it with wax. All right, guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail, signing off. Y'all have a great day.